fucking criticism. We've got ourselves a Soviet-era train, and it's gonna stop down there. So let's go. David, you're enjoying the air coming out of here.
Yeah.
He's very, very warm, as you can see from his.
Look at that. You can't
even tell.
You can't even tell.
It's so sweaty. You can't tell. We're trying to keep all our meats and cheeses and chocolates cool because they're starting to go a bit weird. It's been very hot. We've been in the train only an hour. We've got like
only an hour.
About 5.5 hours left. Cheers.
Hibbs, how much do you like not getting disease? Putting back
Sweaty.
to the wall.
Sweaty, and this meat ain't helping.
Sweaty, and the meat ain't no help.
I like creepy sounds right now. Sounds like a train.
Dementors.
The ones in England are so awful.
Awful.
Awful. Whore. They're whores. Don't put that in. Please. Oh, all my fines and everything just fell out.
This also fell out, which we're not entirely sure why.
We've reached our Hungarian B&B.
This is all the culture we need. The entire trip we've been trying to work out why Hibbs' bag is so much bigger than everyone else's. That light there came with Hibbs.
He does.
It's just a casual man cutting meat shirtless.
It's a threat is what it is.
I think pork is like my favourite meat.
What you doing? What you doing?
Oh,
what you doing?
burns. Nice.
Tarun's trying the curry that I've been slaving over.
Can I just point out I don't like hot things at all?
It might be spicy.
Oh no.
Oh, we've got the coughs.
Oh no. Can I try it?
Okay, we do need to make this less spicy then. We've been eating the curry. Thomas is loving it. He's having some extra, right?
Spilled some on the floor.
Oh dear.
It's really nice.
It's very hot, so I'm taking it slow. David is kind of struggling a little bit.
It's a good flavour. I'm just not.
It's extremely hot though, to be fair.
So it's like
Tarun, this is Tarun's bowl. He's given up. Look this. Tarun. Do you not like it?
Like it just wasn't enjoyable. Like I can't be on my lips. I think my lips are like. Expanded.
Oh, dude.
I couldn't taste anything but pain. Was it?
Oh.
How is Hibbs fine? How is he fine?
Yeah. Hibbs is just destroying it. He's loving it.
Sur la plage, dans le sable, je recherche des sensations. Sur la planche, sur la vague, je ressens des sensations. Sur la plage, dans le sable, je recherche des sensations.
God, Hibbs is going full photo shoot.
Look at him. Look at him. He's getting down there.
One photo. He's just like
Getting that. Yeah.
I wonder where he got a camera from there.
No, it's the lady. The people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why'd you squat?
Having a shower in the view of the basilica. You enjoyed it?
Here, yeah. Liking this a lot.
This is cool, huh?
Like this.
First thing we see in Budapest. Pretty damn good. like on steroids. You're going up that cliff.
Made it to the top of the cliff. Look at this.
Huh?
What are these flags?
They don't look like country. They look like coats of arms. Could
Sunset's
not
going
make
down.
this vlog more boring.
Well, I can give you some history. So, turns out there was like 50 states in Budapest. It was split into 50 different states. And then they all were given flags, because it was like a flag thing. And then they put them all up here. And then they became, so there was there was like B state, then U state, then Das state, and they all came together to make Budapest. So every review says this is the best place to go at sunset, but the sun is that way, so I don't quite get it.
I just don't understand. Have you said, come watch sunset from here, but I don't get it.
Because the sun's
setting that side.
So pissed off.
I just don't get it.
so we're watching a sunset. Yay!
The rest of the city's also going orange.
So the sun was up, and now it's not, but it's still kind of light.
That's how sunset works.
Lower the temperature. I'm fighting back. Well, because he said he would help, but he's done literally nothing the entire time. We're in a closing bar. It's like you can see the tables are clearing, the bar's closed. I'm very tired. Not at all drunk enough to be here, and I think you're going to another fucking bar now. Don't fucking record right now.
Well, you could stop blaming me, but this is a joint thing. The phone and me as well.
We were just in that bar there.
We were just in this bar.
Hibbs led us very far up there, and this is the bar we needed. Right here. Right opposite where we were.
Let's go.
We're cooking something. It's called head cheese.
Little bit of knob cheese. You'll remember from earlier in the vlog that they bought me this flour. Now we've got to take it on 2 flights. But then also the problem is, what we do when we get to Spain. Is there a soil shop in Santa Pola? That's good. So we're gonna have to go first night. That'll be a wild
First night.
won't it? We're gonna have to go
Crazy night,
to
guys.
florists.
Imagine getting taken down for a bouquet of flowers. My love!
TSA.
Boom!
I don't even trust you to butter a piece of toast. What are you doing right now with a living creature?
Oh, okay.
Oh, God.
So all of this has to go, and then we just stick this in the case, completely unprotected, and hope it survives.
In with your clothes and stuff. Just for soil to go everywhere.
Now for the cringiest moment of the trip.
I only got one hand.
Oh, yeah! Woo! You can choose anyone of the works. It is yours, completely free. Okay.
Fucking raining. Fuck this. Fuck everything. I never signed up for this. I pay good money to be here and they fucking ruin it. Fucking 2018, I haven't found a way to stop rain. Fuck. You're witnessing a tragedy. Sad, sad day. There'll be statues commemorating this event. Look at this. My legs are like getting red there and there. It's like an allergic reaction or something.
Yeah, is there anything allergic you're walking through?
Like train? Fuck that shit.
Hey, Rage, what's happening? Why are you taking more and more clothes off?
Is like expanding. Oh, it kind of hurts to walk actually. I don't understand. I was sat down and then suddenly got up and it was like. No, you have no more use for your legs anymore. I am taking them from you. It's the only way it doesn't hurt to walk. Where's this first aid kit? Come on, stop recording me right now.
Oh my god.
This is my time of need. Come on.
How's the food, Dave?
Salty? I'm gonna try putting sugar in mine.
Is that what you're supposed to do? Is that how to balance it?
No, only when it's only slightly too salty would sugar work. But
Could you get me some of this?
I believe you could kill a goldfish.
you could stop Carthage from ever rising again with this level of salt.
Oh my god. Have you seen what David's done? It's not going. I'm gonna skip this. Have some water. So it turns out the sugar David had added was more salt.
That's it, dinner's done. I'm out. I was like, you know when I just put it in, and I was like, nope, that is nope.
It just kept getting worse and worse and worse, and we're like, fuck.
We're going all in. This meal can't be ruined anymore.
Give me some of that sugar. This is a peasant's salary for a year.
Oh, that is unbearable. No amount of sugar is going to mask that salt.
I am so angry that salt, like any normal English person, that's a sugar bag. We're washing the meat. Washing the sauce off of it because it's fucking unbearable. So good, tender, and it's ruined by 40 kilos of fucking They made a 1 kilo bag of salt. Who uses 1 kilo of salt?
I want to die. What are you doing?
Well, now we've got to get rid of the soil from the flour by literally picking this. Is it going to go down there, do you think?
Okay.
Jesus.
Oh god. Hibbs.
Last holiday. Flushing a plant down the fucking toilet. But that's never happened on the girls' tour.
Oh no.
Hang on, that was partially successful.
Oh no, he's got sugar.
Dude. The fuck? What do we do?
Have you looked in there? It looks like the fucking abyss.
Just someone's home.
I don't think the sink is draining. Flour's looking fine. Problem is, sink's completely blocked and it's somebody's house. Nice.
Oh, we've created a leak. Oh, even better.
Fuck.
Well, there's a hairdryer at least.
Oh shit.
I don't think we'll be getting this deposit back.
What are you getting me? We're going past the bleach. Oh fuck you.
Cheap and cheerful.
That is not going to survive. Look how thin that is. It's got me too. Have you seen how insanely thin they are? That is just... In your full England outfit. We're in the high 30s right now, Hibbs, you crazy motherfucker. I just been running. And I'm really scared about these fucking cups in my bag. This is our bus. You just caught us jaywalking on camera, which is illegal in this country. Fucking cross here. No trams. Fuck the trams. The fucking glasses. Oh no.
Fucking slap it until it accepts you. Like your parents.
It's okay,